Hello, Stickasaurus here. Today we're going to start on, it's upside down, this is the OG Ultraman, the original one. This large one is for Pronghorn Heroes. It should fit, no problem. Hopefully it's massive. I'm doing one for myself because I think it'd be really cool to have these. Well, actually, Jem's idea was to have all three of these, have the original Ultraman, Aqua Ranger, and the original Kamen Rider, you know, the big three. Got this file, beautiful file by the Zackers. We're going to sand this with some 80, 120, and 220, and then get some primer on it, so let's get to it. Okay, we're going to use satin clear on these and see how it goes. They're not perfect. The silver really shows anything we missed. I'm hoping this makes it more uniform because there's some splotchy stuff. If not, I guess we'll figure it out from there. So here's mine. I did it as a test. Eye holes, we just masked them when we painted the eyes white. We did LEDs in here. I got AA battery pack. We wired up the LEDs. I'm going to show you all this when I work on gems. I got a red baklava that is hot glued in. Since it's like a half helmet, it's like more of a mask. And this worked pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. The eyes could probably be a little bit better with the light diffusion. I'm not sure what we can do to change that right now. I will go through what we do here on gems. I hope you can see how we did this, but I think this turned out well, so hopefully theirs does as well. So there we go. Gluing this in was a little bit of an issue. We have some glue here, but I don't think you notice it when it's on. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to pick it off, but it fits. Looks all right. I think it should be good to go. So we will get to the spin around. As you know, Stick don't know Ultraman. Stick don't know Kamen Rider. Stick definitely doesn't know Ultraman. But this was a challenge. Since this was more of a mask, we had to find a way to attach it. I think this baklava we used for the back works rather well, as you saw. Sorry about the spin around. The mannequin head I used was too heavy and it kept falling over. Actually, it did fall and it smashed my Ultraman orb, which was oddly fitting that an Ultraman would smash another one. So we might have to redo Orb, which wouldn't mind. That helmet was a hot mess. I'd like to try again. But our plan right now is to move on to Ultraman Z, I believe, unless someone makes a Ultraman Blazer. I don't know how you say it. I'm sorry. Don't yell at me. But we made two of these things. One of these is for Pronghorn Heroes. Check them out. Hopefully Jem will be wearing it. It is large, but I met Jem in person, and I think it's just right for his head size. No offense, Jem. But I like this. I think the Zackers did great. Again, the eyes, I don't know if they're right. I think they're supposed to be compound eyes and all that. We tried our best. We got lights in them. I think the lights turned out rather well. You know, I don't have any complaints. This is a really cool, fun helmet. It's nice having the originals of the big three. We'll have original Ultraman. We have Go Ranger Red, and we also are working on an OG Ichigo. So we'll have the big three. But if there's an Ultraman you'd like to see, please let me know. Drop it down in the comments. I don't know anything about Ultraman, but I'm willing to make anything. I like Taro. Zet was chosen because the dub's happening right now. Again, we did a poll in Discord. Join the Discord. I think Belial was also chosen. But thanks for watching. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplays and Props. Down in the description, you'll find said Discord. Come hang out. We vote on things. Got lots of fun stuff over there. The Patreon exclusive build videos, behind the scenes stuff, community polls where we vote on helmet designs and we make them come to life, as well as exclusive artwork and all that. Also, check out the merch store. We got awesome Gokai stick shirts. If you're a member of the Patreon, you also get a discount to the merch store, so that's a little incentive. If you like any of the patches on my apron, go check out K20 Customs Etsy store. Use my code KRStronger to get 50% off your patch order. And if you like a Nerd Named Mark's merch, which I'm wearing here, check out his Fourth Wall store. Use the code STICK10 for 10% off of your merch order. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.